你好，很高兴再次见了。
Thank you very much.
See you again.
谢谢。
这充分体现了郑成先生你本人和印尼政府对发展中印尼关系的这种高度重视，中方对此表示高度赞赏。在双方的共同努力下，中印尼的关系持续稳步提升。
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Prime Minister of the People's Republic of China, Your Excellency, Mr. LiQiang, and distinguished leaders of the government of the People's Republic of China. Once again, thank you very much for receiving me and my delegation. As you reminded us that even before I was officially certified as President-elect, your President and your government kindly received me with great honor in April this year. This is also very moving for us and for me, and I think this shows the great friendship and the great respect that the People's Republic of China holds towards Indonesia. And I would like to emphasize once again that we consider China to be a very important friend and important partner, not only for now but for the future. As I said that I would make my first state visit to China as the President of the Republic of Indonesia. I was inaugurated on the 20th of October, not even 1 month ago, and I would like to thank once again the leaders of the People's Republic of China for sending your Vice President as the Special Envoy of the President of the PRC at my inauguration. I think it's once again a great honor for us, for the Indonesian people, and for myself. This visit, as my first state visit outside Indonesia, less than 1 month after my inauguration, I think is a message that I'm committed to strengthen the friendship and cooperation between Indonesia and China. And I thank you for your remarks that we need to take practical steps. And I think we are moving very fast with practical steps. The investment from Chinese corporations into Indonesia economy. We would like to learn from the Chinese experience how you have developed very fast in the last 30 years, especially your eradication of poverty. And Indonesia, we are going to increase our effort to eradicate our poverty, and I think we would like to learn more and more from your experience also. Also in your massive increase in your education, I think we also would like to cooperate with your country on the issue of education. We would like to send more and more of our students